The new Sound Variations feature in Studio One 5.2 works best with VSL Synchron libraries because Studio One now receives all variations directly from the Vienna Synchron player. So when you select any preset from any library, let's do this quickly. You see, this populates the Sound Variations dialog automatically. This means you instantly have all your orchestral articulations available in Studio One's editor. Therefore, you don't even need this dialog. Just load an instrument and start composing. Let's take a look at the VSL Big Bang Orchestra and how we can assign sound variations. In the inspector, you always see which sound variation is currently activated during playback. In this passage I used mainly short notes, but for these low notes I've set the marcato articulation. To hear how it sounds without this variation change, let's just remove it. Assigning variations to a number of notes is as easy as selecting them, and then you can right-click and choose the sound variation you'd like to put on these notes. You can also use the list in the inspector on the left. Let's try out how it sounds if we assign long notes here. I'll just mute the other notes for this moment so we can focus on this bass note. Or what about a swell? Even if the note editor is not open, you can see the currently playing sound variation in the track inspector. And a click on the panel brings you directly to the mapping editor. There are a couple of different ways to switch sound variations in Studio One 5.2. Every composer has a very different workflow when it comes to articulations in sample libraries, so you can choose the approach that suits you best, via the context menu, by using the automation lane, by creating macro buttons, with your MIDI controller as you have seen in the intro. But the probably easiest and fastest way is to use our free Studio One Remote app, which is available for iOS, Android and Windows. When you open Studio One Remote, go to the Commands view and navigate to the Composing page, which provides predefined and ready-to-use macros so you can get started right away. This works when you assign variations to selected notes or in real time when you're recording. To use sound variations with your VSL Synchron libraries, make sure to get the latest update of the Vienna Synchron player, which is now available in your My VSL account. That's it for now, thanks for watching.